What's up, guys? Today is day 6 of working on this wiring harness. I'm really tired of working on this wiring harness. I'm about 50% done. Maybe. Hopefully. Hopefully you guys have been liking this video. If not, you can find a way to like this video. Literally, by leaving a like and subscribing. That will get me done extremely fast. The less you like and subscribe, well, the longer it's going to take me to get through this wiring harness series. Anyway, I think I counted 8 more connectors to do, something like that. Yeah, not too bad. Nothing much to update anymore on, so shall we dig in? I think so. Let's do this. Alright guys, so what I think I'm going to start doing with these videos, since you already know, like, grab a wire, undo the connection, trace it back, find where it is on here, and then just keep going back and forth. I'm gonna try it for at least this one video. I did it for number 5. Hopefully you guys like that. What I'm thinking about doing is just being like, oh yeah, I'm gonna work on this connector, I'm gonna pull them out, you know, show the brief thing of like pulling them out, and then showing where each wire is over on this side, and then just cutting to like, hey, I did it, you know. I'm gonna try that for a video, see how you guys like it. If you like it, cool, let me know in the comments, leave a thumbs up. If you don't like it, leave a thumbs up. Still put it in the comments. So yeah, anyway, let's get started. I left off on this bad boy right here. That goes into this whole jumble of crap. Red wire. I think this is my neutral safety switch from what I discovered last time. So I have a red and black wire. Cool. Goes to this little gray plug. When you flip it over, it's the top right one. Alright, as you can see, this connector sticks out a little bit, so I did that heat shrink trick that I showed you guys before. Alright, now back to the scheduled program. Alright. Got that done. I'm not going to push this in all the way because I might get the connector for the actual neutral safety switch, so I can actually plug it in properly. But yeah, there it is. Alright, I'm going to finish off working on this 6-plug connector, and then that same plug leads into this diagnostic box. Now, I had previously, I cut this off before when I was first stripping down the wiring harness, just so I can see what gauge it was. So now I gotta find that wire that is back here somewhere. Finally, I found it. It's literally just coiled up in this junction. All right. So this wire leads all the way back here to this little connection right here. Alrighty, let's route this wire. Wire secured. Got that heat shrink on there. Perfect. Now let's route it back. Alright, so all this stuff goes to a little small split. So I'm gonna measure this properly. Bring it through here. Bring it through all this. And have it come out to a split. Okay, before I put this new wire in, I'm gonna spray this out just to clean it a little bit. I will be putting some lithium grease in there afterwards just to seal this stuff off, like what's in here. Boom, done. Got all that sorted out. All right, I'm gonna finish doing this connector. All right, that red and black wire goes to this big gray plug, and it's number 4 from the right. Alright, got that red one done. Red and black one, I should say. Now let's do this blue and pink. Or blue and red. Cool, and it's right next to my red one. So the 5th one in. Alright, got that blue and red one done. Now I'm gonna trace back this green and white wire. I'm tracing back. Along with this, this looks like white and yellow. So let's trace these two back. Oh, what a coincidence. They're right next to each other. So number 6 and number 7. Number 6 is the green and white. Number 7 is the white and yellow. Alright, I got this plug all wired. Came out pretty perfect. Alright, I'm gonna work on this connector, this little 4-pin. Alright, so that red from here, the red and black wire, it's this plug here. It's one of these gray ones. And it's gonna be this right side one, second one in. Alright, I got the red and black one in. I'm gonna work on this blue and yellow. Alright, this blue and yellow goes right below the red one on that same connector, and then the black and then the yellow also go over here. Alright, I just got this connector all done. Wasn't too bad. I traced it all back. Turns out it was pretty fun, honestly. Oh crap. I didn't even do it at the connector yet. Oh, I'm not done. Alright guys, there we go. I got this all connected along with this plug, so that's good. I'm gonna call it there for the night. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it there for the night. I got an okay amount done. Wasn't too bad. I just went through and counted the rest of the connectors that I need to do, and it's 8 or 9 that I have left. Not too bad. I think I can knock it out in like 2 more days. And then all I have to do is wrap up the whole harness, and then what else? I think that's it. I just need to wrap it up, insulate it, and yeah, it'll be ready to go. Anyways guys, if you like this video, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe to see more videos like these. Also check out my shorts, I make those too. Yeah, anyways, you guys take it easy.